is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were two for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. A good day to tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to live.
So I just did a good hour of trying to get good camera angles, putting it in the nesting box, and having fun with it. Only to find out there's a little red light on the front of a camera that tells you it's recording. Yeah, that light wasn't on. Good learning opportunity. Surprisingly, the goats didn't mess too much with the camera when I had it out here. I don't know if any of that's on there, but they did good. So when we first moved here, we only had 15, 20 chickens. So I built this part of this coop and quickly outgrew it. So right now we have about 70 and rebuilt it. Haven't had time to paint it. So I'm gonna leave this up to you. What color are we painting this thing? What are we doing to it? Drop a suggestion in the comments. Most popular one, I'll do it. And the goats found the camera.